In this short video, I'm going to share how you increase the water pressure on your Baxi ecoblue boiler or Baxi 800-600 series. As you can see, we've got code 118, which is a fault code for low water pressure. As you can see, 0 bar, 0 on the pressure gauge. So as we look under, this one's quite an easy one to do. We're looking for these two little blue levers here. Turning, if we look, we're pushing with our thumb. So that's pointing that way, which is allowing the water to flow around from the cold. And then we use this one, do exactly the same. As we can hear, water starts to go in. And we will see the water pressure start to rise. And the pressure gauge up here. Once we're back up to pressure, we can literally knock those levers back off, pull them back down, and that's it. Boiler will be operational. It's Darren Russell, Smart Boiler Company.